Hey folks, AJ here. We're back at my famous workbench. Today we're highlighting the ICS-Control Box, used very popular in the Whirlpool bath industry for controlling the bath pump. Acre uses this tremendously along with many other manufacturers. Okay, here's the button. The problem with this system is it looks very similar, if not identical, to a hydrobath button that controlled a different control box. That control box was the EP823N. Okay, the difference is the plug end. Okay, the buttons look identical. All right, they're called the soft touch. All right, has a little rubber button in the middle which you hit on and off. Okay, has a built-in 20-minute timer. The major difference is the ISC has this 3-pin plug, okay, that goes onto 3 pins on the control box. Okay, you got to make sure you get them in there the right way and nice and tight. There's a locking tab on those pins as well. Okay, so the pins is different. The EP823N had a phone cord connection. Okay, that is obsolete and discontinued. Okay, if you wanted to use this system in lieu of your EP823N, you most certainly can. Okay, it's almost identical and has the same properties to it. Okay, but rest assured, you can't just change. If you had a bad button, you can't buy this system and put it in your old box, of course, because of the plug ends. All right. So the way this system works, and I'm just going to show this for demonstration purposes only. I'm going to plug it into an extension cord. Do not ever plug this into an extension cord. It should be directly plugged into a GFCI protected outlet, a dedicated outlet, okay, underneath your bathtub. So for demonstration purposes only, I'm going to plug that into an extension cord, okay, and then the plug for the pump is right here on the bottom. So I got a handy dandy pump here. I'm going to demonstrate. We'll plug that guy right in, okay. And believe it or not, I'm going to hit the lights, but you probably already know this, that it's a light up button. So let me hit the lights, and you're going to see after you hit that button, it lights up. Okay, so real nice effect. Okay, when you're operating this pump control box, it's real nice to have that button there. Okay, that lighted button. Okay. That's everything there. If you had to change it, let me get this unplugged for safety purposes. If you had to change just the button, let me just show you how to change the button. Okay, so there's a lock nut underneath, okay, which comes off. You're going to slide the wire through the hole, okay, slide the lock nut over the wire, okay. There's a little gasket here on the back side, okay. Make sure that gasket goes on the top of the tub, okay. Make sure that goes on tub side, and then you can lock that up. Okay, what I would do also is put another bead of silicone on the bottom of everything here underneath, just in case that gasket starts to fail over years. You don't want water dripping down underneath this button, slowly dripping onto the floorboards underneath your bathtub and rotting out those floorboards. That's a big problem in the bath industry. Anything we can to prevent that, we want to. Yeah, so after you put everything together, put some heavy silicone around the bottom of that button, if you can, if you have easy access to it, okay, when you do have to change that. Okay, and that's everything about the ISC-Control Box. We are proud to be the largest distributor of Balboa Whirlpool part components. Any questions beyond this video, feel free to give us a call. We are your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.